Welcome to our exploration of Bitcoin in 2024. This decentralized digital currency has revolutionized finance, but its journey has been complex. Today, we'll examine its history, advantages, disadvantages, economic impact, and future prospects. Bitcoin's story begins in 2008, amidst the global financial crisis. A mysterious figure, or group, known as Satoshi Nakamoto, published a white paper outlining a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. Bitcoin's early years were characterized by slow adoption and skepticism. However, its value gradually increased, attracting attention from investors and technology enthusiasts. The rise of Bitcoin exchanges and the increasing acceptance by merchants fueled its growth. Bitcoin offers several advantages. Its decentralized nature makes it resistant to censorship and government control. Transactions are relatively fast and transparent, with a public record of all transactions on the blockchain. Furthermore, Bitcoin's limited supply of 21 million coins aims to protect against inflation, unlike many fiat currencies. However, Bitcoin also has disadvantages. Its energy consumption is a major environmental concern, due to the computational power required for mining. The complexity of the technology can be a barrier to entry for many users. Scalability issues, meaning the number of transactions the network can handle, remain a challenge. Bitcoin's impact is multifaceted. Its emergence has sparked innovation in blockchain technology, with applications extending beyond cryptocurrency. Its potential to disrupt traditional financial systems is significant, offering opportunities for financial inclusion and reduced transaction costs. However, its impact on macroeconomic stability and its role in international finance are still being debated. Looking ahead, Bitcoin's future remains uncertain. Technological advancements, regulatory developments, and market forces will all play a crucial role in shaping its trajectory. Increased adoption by institutions and the development of second-layer solutions to address scalability issues could boost its growth. For a deeper understanding of Bitcoin, we encourage you to explore the resources listed below. This is a rapidly evolving field, and staying informed is crucial.